Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing and swatching the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Eyeshadow Palette. So the palette was released on Tuesday, September 25th online at Anastasia's website, and it's currently available now for North America and UK. I'll go ahead and have the link down below. This palette is part of their holiday collection and it will be available at their online retailers on October 9th. And by retailers, I mean Ulta, Sephora, MACYS, DILLARDS, and so on. On October 12th, it will be available in store. This palette is apparently limited edition. So as you can see, the palette has the same setup as their current palettes with 14 eyeshadows with a dual-ended brush and a mirror. The difference between this palette and the previous ones is that this one retails for $45 compared to $42, and also the outer packaging is glitter. The glitter isn't laminated, so you can actually feel the texture on the palette, and I also noticed that it left some glitter on my hands. I feel that eventually the loose glitter will stop. So this is a complete cool tone palette. Like I said, it has 14 shades with the mixture of ultra mattes and metallics. Out of the 14 eyeshadows, there are 7 ultra mattes and 7 metallics. The shade Fresh was in the Tamana palette and it's available as a single shadow. And Noir is in the Soft Glam palette and was in the Shadow Couture palette, and it's also available as a single shadow. And the rest of the shades, I didn't find them in other palettes or as singles, so I believe they're exclusive to this palette. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Now for the swatches, all of the ultra mattes in the palette felt very velvety and were very pigmented. Not only did they swatch evenly, but they also blended good with the brush. I did experience kick up and fallout, but to be honest, I feel like that is with every Anastasia's eyeshadows. I avoid tapping my brush into the pan to avoid wasting product, and instead I swirl my brush. And for the metallics, I also didn't experience any issues. These felt very buttery, and to me they kind of feel like they have a wet feel to them. These swatched evenly, and also on the eyes they went on evenly. I myself don't tend to reach for cool tone shades, but now that I have the palette in front of me, I see these shades and I noticed that these are the type of shades that I reach for holiday looks or for a sultry smoky eye. So overall, I am very pleased with this purchase, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.